ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So what we are going to do today? Today is the second part of the spoken Kannada lesson, the second lesson. I hope you have gone through the first lesson. In the first lesson, if you have observed, we have learned the pronoun for the first person. I hope by now you are already well versed with the first person. Hope you have practiced. So let me write what and all we have learned in the first person. In the first person only, we learned I, that is Nan. I am writing the colloquial version, not the written version. So please don't get confused. That is, next is a we, now. Next is a my, none. Our is nam. And the possessive form of this is nandu, namdu. And next is nange, namge, or nang, or namg. I hope you are clear with this. Now, the first person. If you are done with the first person, next is the second person. So where do we use the second person? Second person, I have one person in front of me, then I have to talk to that person. So I should know how do I address you, your, basically, right? So this is what we are going to learn now, and also I hope you remember that in every of the conversation or the communication you are supposed to use the respected or the plural form of these things. So that it will make your communication, the conversation, very polite and it doesn't sound rude. Okay, so we'll start. I'm really sorry for the background disturbance. These dogs are really has made a nightmare for me, has become nightmare for me. They keep barking always, every time. Sorry for that. So we'll go with the second person now. So in the second person, I'll just write little now. Second person only. The first word is you. So you with the singular version, what it will be? You with the singular version will be Neenu. Neenu. Neenu, Nanna friend. You are my friend. Neenu, nan friend. So what is the colloquial form of this? Neen. Neen, nan friend. Neen, nan friend. Where is nan? Neen, nan friend. Neen, nan colleague. Okay? If in case, if you want to use the plural version, the plural or respected form is Neevu. Neev. Neev nan manager. Neev nan teacher. Neev nan inspiration. Neev nan master. Clear? I hope you are understood. So none I am using here. Neev or neen, it's here. So please relate it so you will understand easily. Clear, Aita? Okay. We'll go for the next. We have learned Neenu, Neevu, Neen and Neev. This is a written form. This is a colloquial form. If you are not clearly knowing what is written form we'll use only in the books while writing. Colloquial form is the one where we use for the conversation, the spoken form, the slang. Clear? Yes. We'll go with the next one, that is your. Your pen, your mobile. Ninna. So here it is Nanna, here it is Ninna. Nin. Nin friend. Nin friend, nun friend. Nun friend is my friend, nin friend is your friend. Nun car is my car, nin car is your car. Clear? So now with respect. So this became your singular version. So your or yours with plural or respected version will be Nimma. Nimma. So there is one famous restaurant, the cafe in the Bommanhalliya. So Nimma local. So Nimma, your local anta artha. Okay. So Nimma, nim bike, nim lunch box, nim ishta, your wish. Understood? So Nimma, nim, Ninna, nin. So if you ask me what is the possessive form of this, then we do have a possessive form for this also. The possessive form will be Nindu. Nindu. Nimdu. I say this belongs only to you, then only I use nimdu, nindu, nandu or namdu. So it's like a possessive form. It's like a I own this. Andaga I use this. Okay. The next two words like this is ninge or ninage, ninage, ninge, ning. Okay. Next will be nimage, nimge or nimg. Don't get confused. Slowly when we start the sentences you will understand. Okay na? So, ninge beka, do you want? Ninge beka. Yesterday if you observe we have learned the two words beku and beda. Beku is a want, beda is don't want. If you want to say, do you want? Beka. Beka. If you want to say, don't you want? Bedva. Okay, these are the words which will basically form the sentences also. So, ninge coffee beka. Ninge coffee beka. Do you want coffee? Don't you want coffee? Ninge coffee bedva. Simple, right? So, try using a different word instead of a coffee. So we'll get used to with the vocabulary and also with this. So we have learned the second person completely. Then in the second person we have a neenu, neevu, ninna, nimma, ninage, nimage. All these are with written form. If it's a colloquial form, it will become neen, neev, nin, nim, ning, nimg. So these are the colloquial form. So now we are very much aware about the first person and the second person. We are yet to learn the third person and for the animals, which we'll be doing in the next class, next lesson. I hope you have understood this, and doubt idre please do let me know in the comment section, or you can write a mail to me at yashasvikannadavaani@gmail.com. So thank you so much Elarigu for listening and for following, and also you can follow me in Instagram where I am already teaching from past 1.5 years, and also there is a book is being launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. You can purchase the book. The link is given in the description box. It's an e-book. So after purchasing the book, once you watch the video and you can go back to the book, and you have a lot many activities in the book, you can do the activities also. So it's in a very affordable price. You can purchase the book. And please share this information with your non-Kannada speaking friends who will be very happy to learn this Kannada in English basically. So thank you so much for your support. Your support and love means a lot to me. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi anta helta. I'll meet you all with one more lesson. Dhanyavada.